The wolf embraces silence, unlike the dog that often barks, knowing that making too much noise only puts others on guard. The tiger doesn't need to mark its territory with a roar, it lets its footprints speak for themselves. The lion doesn't need to run the fastest. It simply waits for the right moment to strike. A tiger can sit still for hours, ensuring its prey has no chance to escape. A crocodile submerges quietly, waiting patiently for the moment to strike when its prey least expects it. The lion may stay silent before the weak, but it never backs down before an equal. An eagle doesn't see the tree blocking its path, it only sees the sky beyond. The eagle chooses only the highest peak to rest, for from there it sees everything clearly. A bear doesn't need to show its strength, as its very presence commands respect. Nature offers us many valuable lessons, but only those with calm souls are aware enough to realize